In this video, I'm going to explain what YouTube TV Video on Demand, or VOD, really means, and how you can use it to watch shows and movies anytime you want. So here's the deal. YouTube TV isn't just live TV. Along with live channels and unlimited DVR, it also includes video on demand content. That means when you subscribe to YouTube TV, many networks give you access to their on-demand library of shows, episodes, and movies. For example, if you missed a new drama on ABC or a game on ESPN, you can usually go back later and watch it on demand. No recording needed. These on-demand titles come directly from the networks that partner with YouTube TV. Here's how to access VOD. Open the YouTube TV app or go to tv.youtube.com. Use the search bar to find a show, movie, or sporting event. If it's available on demand, you'll see a play option, even if it's not live or in your DVR library. A few things to know. Some on-demand content may include ads you can't skip, even if you have DVR for the same show. Availability depends on the network. You won't find every single episode on demand. VOD is included at no extra cost in your YouTube TV subscription. So, to sum it up, YouTube TV's VOD library lets you stream shows and movies directly from channels on demand. Just search, click play, and watch whenever you want. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.